Okay, so in this video, we'll be having your activity, which is based on the basic formatting when we're using the Google Spreadsheet. So if you are using a desktop, panoorin niyo po ito. Okay, so we have a sample document for that. So you just need to click the link below our description and then click the make a copy. So once you click on the make a copy, you will be directed to this spreadsheet. So once you open the spreadsheet, make sure kung what account po, no? Kung saan po siya nakasave para alam niyo kung saan po siya nakalocate. Okay? So double check niyo po. Okay, so we have here on our worksheet, we have two sheet tab wherein we have the markup and then the try it. So of course, the try it tab, this is where we try all the quests that we have on the first sheet, which is the markup. Okay? So we have here 15 quests. So once you're done with that quest, you just need to check this one. Okay, i-check nyo lang po pag tapos na kayo sa quest na yan. So the number one quest that we have is copy that. So description, made a copy of this spreadsheet. So we're already done with that. Kaya nga nagkaroon na tayo ng kopya nitong spreadsheet na to. So you just need to click the first one. Next, the second one, checking in. So the best feature of Google Sheets is checkboxes. So in short, we will create or we will put a checkbox in our try it. Like this one, nung meron tayo sa markup. So paano maglagay ng checkbox? So punta ka lang kay try it tab. And then, as you can see in our try it tab, we have here column B and then column C for the data that we have. So, saan natin ilalagay si checkbox? Of course, sa column A. So, from A2 until 2A51. So, makikita nyo naman po yung pangalan ng cell na naka-click sa atin or ni-range ninyo, makikita nyo po yan on our cell name. So, as you can see, we have here A2 until A51. Okay, so how will you put a checkbox from A2 to A51? You just need to go to the insert and then click the tick box. So, once you click on that, of course, lahat na naka-highlight or yung range natin kanina from A2 to A51, nagkaroon po ng checkbox. So, we're done with the second one, which is the markup. So, click lang natin yung number 2. We're done with that. So, check muna natin. Next, don't move. So, freezing the first row is the first step when designing most spreadsheet. Kung nakinig kayo sa discussion, okay, alam na natin kung paano i-freeze itong si first row. So, what is the reason why we need to freeze the first row? Kasi po, ang pinaka-common na nakalagay po sa ating first row, those title and headings that we have per column. So, in short, mahalaga pong or part po yan ng inyong spreadsheet, okay, na pinakamahalaga sa inyong workbook. So, paano ninyo i-freeze yung first row natin? So, if you want to click the whole row, which is the first row, you just need to click the number 1, which is on the row heading. I-click mo lang yung row heading na number 1. For you to be able to click the whole row. Or, you can just, manual process, pero mapapatagal ka pa, diba? So, click mo na lang si number 1 on the row column. Row headings. So, once you click on that one, so again, active na po siya, no? Then, punta lang po kayo kay view. Click the freeze. And then, choose the one row. So, once you click on that, okay, visible po yung first row natin kahit nasa ang row tayo mapunta. So, as you can see, kahit i-scroll down ko siya, naka-fix po yung row 1 sa taas. So, hindi tayo mahihirapan kung anong data ilalagay ninyo per column kasi alam ninyo kung anong title per column dyan. Okay? So, that is how you will do the freeze column. So, if you're done with that, of course, check. Next, the fourth one, column headers. So, again, column headers bring the clarity to your spreadsheet. On the Try It tab, type in column headers. So, So, sa ating try it tab, lagay na natin kung ano yung mga title ng ating mga nasa column na data. So, we have here, for example, on the column A1, that is the checkbox. Next, if you want to proceed to the next column, press the tab. Okay, then those are the first name, then tab, last name. So, we already put a heading per column that we have. So, again, those are the text box, those are the first name, and those are the last name. So, once you're done with that, check mo ulit si number 4. Next, for the number 5, skip me. So, alternate row colors. So, we'll be adding colors per row that we have. So, the reason why we need to put or maglagay po ng alternating colors para po hindi tayo malito kung nasa ang row na kayo habang nagtatype ng data. So, for example, from the A1 until the G51. So, ayan yung range ko, no? A1, simula ako sa A1 until G51. So, as you can see, A1 until G51. So, how you will add alternating colors? So, you just need to go to the format and then alternating colors. Okay? So, you can choose any colors that you want. So, we have there this one. So, ikaw po bahala kung anong gusto ninyong color. So, for me, yellow. Then, done. So, again, the reason for that, para hindi kayo malito, no? Kung nasa ang row pa kayo, nakatapat habang nagtatype kayo ng inyong data. For example, maglalagay ka ng data dito, baka kasi malito kayo kasi kanina napaka-clear, di ba? So, alam mo, kay Jack ka nagtatype. Or concern regarding kay Jack. Okay? Kasi alternate yung ating color, which is white and then light yellow. So, aware ka na kung nasa ang data ka or saan ka naka-align habang naglalagay ka ng data. So, that is alternating colors. So, we're done with that. So, click mo lang yung check. Next, add a new sheet to the spreadsheet. So, how will you add a new sheet in our spreadsheet? Like this one. So, paano ka mag-a-add ng panibagong sheet in your spreadsheet? You just need to click the plus sign, which is the add sheet. And then, that is the sheet that we have. So, if you want to move the sheet on the third align in our sheet tab, you just need to what? Click, long press, and then drag. Kung saan mo siya gustong i-move. So, napakadali lang naman mag-move din ng ating sheet. Okay? So, punta ka kay markup. We're done with that. Adding a new sheet. Next, what's my name? So, double-click on a tab to rename the tab. So, for example, you want to rename that tab na inad ninyo. So, sabi dito, i-double-click mo lang daw. So, double-click the sheet 9. So, automatic, you are now allowed to what? To rename the sheet. So, ang ilalagay nyo na lang po dyan is your section. For example, ABM-1. Then, enter. Okay, so that is how you will rename the sheet tab that you add on our spreadsheet. So, check. Next, on the number 8. 3, 2, 1, blast off. So, type A1 in a cell and A2 in the other. So, highlight the pattern and use the fill down square to fill down or to pull down all the content that we have. So, unlike on the Google Docs, we have there the numbered list. Diba? Wherein, pag in-enter mo siya, automatic, lalabas na yung mga number. Tuloy-tuloy, sunod-sunod. Unlike here, wala siyang katulad ni Google Docs. So, what if magta-type ka ng number 1 to 100? So, iisa-isahin nyo pa ba yun? So, we have this kind of trick. Okay? So, sabi doon, type mo raw yung number 1. So, punta ka na lang sa ABM1, yung pangatlo ninyong sheet. Type mo daw si 1, and then type mo daw si 2. So, type mo si 1, and then type mo si 2. Next, highlight the 2. So, once you highlight the two cells, which is A1 and A2, itapat mo lang yung cursor mo sa box sa baba ng blue. Ayan, itapat mo lang siya. And then, drag mo lang po siya pababa. So, click, hold, then drag until 100. Then, release. So, automatic, nag-numbering na po siya 1 to 100. So, that is how will you do the 1 to 100 or the numbering in our spreadsheet. Okay? Next, so once you're done with that, then click the checkbox. Next one. Copy the URL to the particular sheet and share it. So, dito naman po, again, you need to share the document sa akin po ulit. I-share nyo rin po sa akin or sa inyong teacher. Kung sino man yung inyong pag-sharean. So, of course, in my activity, you need to share the document sa akin po. So, type nyo lang po yung aking username. So, if you are my student, alam na ninyo kung ano yung aking username. So, you just need to click the share and then type the username po ni ma'am or ni sir. I-type mo lang. No? So, in short, i-share nyo po yan sa amin and then as an editor. Okay? So, once you share the document, you're done with the number 9. Next, for the number 10. Have it your way. So, resize rows and columns. So, how will you resize the rows and the columns that we have in our spreadsheet? So, punta ka ulit kay try it. So, for example, gusto mong i-resize si column A na mas malaki yung kanyang space. So, we have two options, no? On how we will reshare, on how we will, tawag dito, what do you call this again? Resize, sorry. How you will resize the columns and the row. So, we have there automatic and then manual process. So, for example, dun tayo sa manual process, no? So, yung manual process natin, halimbawa, lalakihan mo yung space ni column A. So, saan mo itatapat yung iyong cursor? Between A and B. So, itapat mo lang sa gitna. So, nakikita niyo yung cursor ko. Ayan, itatapat nyo lang sa gitna and then click, hold, then drag mo lang kung gaano ba kalaki yung size, then release. Same na rin po sa column B. Okay, so that is the manual process. How about the automatic? So, itapat mo lang ulit kung gusto mo sakto lang dito sa ating content in our column A. Itapat mo lang ulit siya sa A and B, yung line, double click. So, automatic siyang nag-minimize ng space. Then, if you want to, same lang, no? Minimize mo yung space for the first name, double click. Then double click. Again, dalawa naman yung way dyan. Kung gusto mo ng manual process, ikaw bahala kung gaano kalaking space ang gusto mo ilagay sa kanya, or kung gusto mong sakto naman, iano mo na lang, tawag dito automatic. Pero kung gusto mo nang ikaw bahala sa size, manual process, no? Between the columns. Same idea lang naman sa ating rows, between the row number. For example, on the first one, you want to resize. So, same lang naman po, no? Manual process and automatic. So, it's up to you kung gaano ba kalaki yung size na gusto ninyong ilagay. Same lang po yan, han. So, balikan natin. Siguro lakihan lang natin yung nasa heading natin. Kasi ayun yung mahalagang content ng ating try it spreadsheet. Okay? So, ganyan na lang po. So, once you're done with that, check. Next, merge lanes. So, highlight cells and click the merge icon in the toolbar. So, for example, punta kayo kay ABM1. So, alam ko, nabanggit ko na to sa inyong Google Docs, no? Same lang naman po yung process niya in our spreadsheet. For example, you want to merge all the cells that we have into one. So, how would you do that? For example, this is the cells that I want to merge into one cell. So, mag-highlight lang ako dyan. So, lagyan ko siya ng fill color na para makita ninyo. So, lagyan nyo na rin po ng fill color. Yun lang naman yun yung parang fill color dito. So again, highlight natin siya. So as you can see, we have there 9 cells. Pero once you click the merge cells, automatic, magiging isa na lang yan. So again, highlight the 9 cells na merong fill color na yellow. And then, click this icon that we have in your toolbar. So that is the merge cells. So click on that one. Then you're done merging cells into one cell. So as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. So naging isang cell na lang po siya. So punta ko ulit kay markup and then check. Next, middle. So for your merge cell na ginawa natin kanina, single click and click on the icon for centering. Now the icon next to it for vertical centering and the one next to it is the word wrap. Halimbawa, balikan natin yung ating merge cell na nasa third sheet. For example, lagay ninyo dyan yung inyong pangalan. So once I click the enter, as you can see, nasa baba siya nung cell ko at nasa gilid. So sabi doon, i-center mo daw. Nasa center, nasa gitna. Middle. So paano mo siya gagawin? Again, click mo siya. So once you click on that, makikita nyo po itong horizontal align and vertical align. So once you click the horizontal align, click the center. So automatic nag-center na siya. How about naman, itataas mo siya, no, which is center. Click mo lang po si vertical align and then click the middle. So that's it. So that is how will you do the number 12. Middle. So check. Next, on the 13. Number 13. Link to the merge cell. Right click to get the link to the cell. So for example, on your name, ilalagyan mo siya ng link. So same process din naman po siya kay Google Docs. And how you will insert a link in our regular text. So click mo lang po yung ating cell na may pangalan. Okay? Then you may click this icon, which is the insert link. Or, Control-K for the shortcut, right-click, insert link, or insert on the menu, and then insert link. So, it's up to you. Maraming way pag naka-desktop ka eh. Okay? So, for example na lang po sa ating toolbar. So, click natin si insert link. So, anong link ang inyong ilalagay? For example na lang yung inyong Facebook. So, as you can see, class, automatic, yung aking pangalan, meron na yung link na nakalink sa aking Facebook account. So, sa inyo rin po, ganyan din po yung gagawin ninyo, ha? I-insert ninyo yung link ng inyong Facebook. Okay? So, once you're done with that, check. Next, then what? If someone has paid you, what do you want to have happen? Anong gusto mo mangyari pag merong nagbayad sa'yo sa iyong, siguro may utang sa inyo or may binayaran sa'yo. Halimbawa, itry natin siya sa try it. So, these are the list of the names sa may mga utang sa'yo, kunyari, no? Okay? Next. So, sabi doon, paano mangyayari? Kung nagbayad siya, anong mangyayari sa iyong spreadsheet? For example, lagay natin sa D1 status. Para once na chinek ko to, pag naka-true yan, which is true, naka-check yung ating checkbox, lalabas dito yung status niya is what? Paid. Pero pag naka-false yan, which is naka-unclick, ang lalabas po dyan is false or unpaid. Okay? So, may status tayo, no? Pag kinlik yan, connected po siya sa ating checkbox. So how will you do that? So, again, pag formula po ang ating gagawin, huwag ninyong kakalimutan si equal. No? Huwag ninyong kakalimutan si equal. Next, if. So, if, open parenthesis. Okay, huwag ninyo din kakalimutan yan. The operator, then the open parenthesis. So, if A2, so sabi ko nga kanina, kung naka-check to si A2, okay, then, comma. So, if A2 is what? True or false, ano yung ilalabas sa kanya? Unpaid. Pero pag naka-true yan, ay sorry, nadoble. Ulitin natin. Sabi nga dito, pag naka-true, paid. Pag naka-false, unpaid. So, equal mo lang ulit. So, nadoble kanina. Baka kasi malito kayo. So, equal if, then open parenthesis. Okay, then A2. So, dito tayo magbabase kay A2. So, pag naka-true yan, automatic, ang lalabas na text is what? Paid. So, again, kaya naka-color green yan, kasi nga po, that is a text. Next. Pero, pag naka-false yan, unpaid ang lalabas. Then, close parenthesis. Enter. So, as you can see, our logical expression is this one. Okay, kinlik ko na lang para makita ninyo. So, if logical expression, which is our A2, if the value of that A2 is what? True, automatic anong lalabas? Paid. Pero pag yung value niyan is naka-false, ang lalabas po dyan is unpaid. So, as you can see, once I enter that one, naka-check siya, so automatic paid. Pero pag naka-uncheck yan, that is unpaid. So, in short, that is connected. Okay? So, how will you do for the rest of the names that we have here? So, again, kung nakikinig kayo sa discussion, may auto-filling po doon, di ba? So, kung pare-parehas lang naman po yan, i-click mo lang tong ating D2, which is nandun yung ating formula. Click mo lang siya. And then, itapat mo lang yung cursor mo on the box sa baba. Ayun, nakikita niyo sa baba. And then, click hold pababa po until 51. So, automatic release. Pare-parehas na po yan ng formula. Kung ano yung formula na nandito. Pero of course, iba-iba na yan. So, A3, A2, A3, A4, A5, A3, and so on. So, once you click on that, automatic, nababago yan, depende sa ating logical expression na nilagay, which is on the column A. Okay? So, that is how will you do that part. Kaya po yan naka-editor sa amin para makita din namin kung lahat ba ay nagawa ninyo. So, gagawin namin yung inyong activity. So, titingnan namin kung lahat ba ay inyong nagawa. So, once you're done with that, check. Next, and the 15 quest, loading zone. So, use Painter format to copy the fill color, font style, etc. So, if you want to copy this format that we have, gusto mo, makopya mo siya sa iba pa nating column. So, highlight mo lang siya. Okay, for example, so, itong format na to gusto mo na kopya dito sa iba pang column natin. So, highlight mo lang siya, then click the paint format. So, once you click on that, automatic, that is copy, no? Automatic, pati yung ating format, makokopya niya. So, once I click on the letter H column, automatic, nag-copy po siya. Then, click mo ulit si paint format, then, dire-diretso na po yan. Paint format, dire-diretso na po yan. So, that is how will you do the number 15. So, highlight mo lang siya. Pagka-highlight mo, click mo si paint format, and then, click mo kung saan mo siya i-copy. So, that is the number 15. So, as you can see, so once you're done with that, check mo lang. So, as you can see po, no, madali lang naman po siyang gawin. Okay? 15 quests lang naman po yan. Those are the basic formatting that we have in our Google Spreadsheet. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, susubukan nyo naman po ng kayo naman. So, again, that's all, and thank you for watching. God bless.